use, you know. Obviously we can't help you guys, you know, type of thing or nothing like that. So, you know, you guys got to use your own, you know. But it'll be cool though. Can't wait to see what you guys pick out.
Thoughts? What's your strategy? Strategies?
Hey yo, I don't have a strategy and I'm not telling nobody.
What's your strategy? Is your strategy also not to tell nobody?
Have a strategy.
Y'all can go ahead.
I'm just gonna go with my soul.
My strategy, just look for words.
You know what? No, I'm not even gonna tell you. It's gonna be a surprise. That's what y'all get at the moment.
I need a camera.
Why are you picking records? You making some beats?
You got me?
All right. So I didn't hear the rules again. What were the rules?
It's $25.
$25. All right.
Everybody had the limit. Raspberries. I picked up some Mac Davis. Look at this blue eyed soul. I know this shit got some soul in it. Check this man's nose. He knows about to get some fire on this. I'm just looking around. Oh shoot. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing right now. Oh, it's some psychedelic. It's about to be some drug infested music right there.
Right? And then if you need to do another effect to have it be in tandem with that, you'd have to do something else.
We're about to make some beats. What are you making a beat on? Let me see.
I think that's just how the whole divided up that.
What's that right there? What record is that?
Billy Cobb.
Oh!
Yeah.
I'm working with some Joe Simon.
Let me see. All right. Yeah.
We got some Jerry Butler.
Jerry Butler. All right.
This is a lot of R&B, and then
Slim Smith. All right.
reggae. I might simplicity of expression. Spiral Gyro.
All right. So you at your limit right now. You at your $25 limit. All right. Budget, how much you got left?
I don't know. But this album was like 7, so I know that was the majority of it so far. Time to get in?
Well, since video is 24 frames per second.
You can just grab an image.
Yeah, now you just gotta.
All right.
1, 2, 3 bananas. Look, you gotta make sure that it's a good frame.
Oh yeah,
at least for everybody. Gotta be good for the frame. All right, yeah, all right. Should be good.
Do you mind if I bang it up?
Oh yeah. So those are the records I picked. Oh, thank you. Much appreciated. So I got Sergio Mendez, Crystal Illusions. I also got me some Gerald Wilson Orchestra, The Golden Sword. Also got Isabel and Jezebel. I thought that I was going to actually just ignore it and put the story in the background. We'll see what happens.
And that just does all the acapellas.
And this is actually.
There you go.
The whole town's laughing at me. The whole town laughing at me. This is my shit. Boys the Men in the Still of the Night.
Oh, that's gonna be some.
This is the Jacksons.
The thing is, Jason Weaver, little smart guy.
You might need to hold on to this.
That's another.
You might need to hold on to this. It's actually in prestige condition. You might need to hold on to this. How much does this cost?
Those were $1.
You might need to hold on to this. Yeah, this one is special. I don't know that one. You see this?
That's one. I'll take that.
What's that? What is that?
Zelda Ocarina
Not that one. Not the
record.
I didn't see it. Oh, Ocarina.
Flick themes. it just looks seductive to me.
She said flick these. Ooh.
So it looks like it's about to have some movie theme, some whatever it's about to have.
White woman on the cover.
I'm about to get in trouble listening to this one.
Yeah. That's
And then look at this man. First of all, he is suave. The slick back. Look at all of
Bro
that.
got a comp.
You telling me that this man ain't gonna somehow talk your lady's panties off?
Yeah. That's Jerry Val.
Oh, y'all know
That's
something?
that's Jerry Val.
Oh.
You ever watch Goodfellas?
I did.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's Jerry Val all up and do that.
And then I have my boy, what's your name again? Taj. You know, he done pick these records right here. Actually, no, he
Austin
picked
Pops
he picked
Orchestra.
these.
Oh, he got Jerry Val. Okay, Jerry Val's good rap.
That was him. Oh, sorry.
And then what's that last one?
Last one, I don't know this one, but I just felt like I just had to just take a shot. Bert, greatest hits.
Bert Kiefer.
Yeah. So,
We gonna
you
play
see,
it.
first of all, you see them horns. I just feel like it's about to be horn heavy, so I know that's gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
But that's about
Might
it.
be some drum breaks on there too. Shout out to New Boston.
I appreciate it, and thank y'all. Thank y'all for this opportunity.
Record, yeah.